Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. I wanted to show you guys an insulated windows 7x16 trailer that we have in stock. This is a 2018 Cargo Craft 7x16 Elite V Sport. So this trailer is going to give you guys 16 feet of total length. You got a 14-foot box plus a 2-foot V. This one is in a blue Blackout. You guys can see you've got the Blackout package, the extra tall diamond plate rock guard along the bottom, and the V-nose cap, which is nice. It gives you guys good rock protection. Lots of LED running lights on the exterior of this unit as well. You've got some on the top and on the fenders, so you guys will know right where this trailer is at night. Triple tube extended tongue, giving you guys a good turning radius, and this triple tube tongue ties all the way back into the frame. So these trailers do pull really well. Side door does come with the RV lock and cam bar, so double lock protection, overhead gutter on that side door. Two 3,500-pound axles with brakes. You've got black mod wheels, black diamond plate fenders, and of course brakes on all fours. Here's your window. We'll take a peek at that more in a second. Side vents and stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close your rear ramp door. This one does have, of course, LED tail lights as well, and a gutter over the side door, and then you guys can see there's all those running lights up there. 7-foot interior height, so this is great for most razors, UTVs, side-by-sides, anything like that you guys need some extra height on. This does have it. You do have a painted interior floor with this unit, insulated walls and ceiling, white aluminum wall and ceiling liner, and then he trimmed this one out with the blue to match the exterior. It's really pretty on the inside. Two of the 18x44 slider windows with screens. They are tinted, they do lock, so it gives you guys some nice options there for cross ventilation. Plus you've got the the side vents. You've got one here at the back, one up there in that top corner, so that's going to give you guys a little bit of natural ventilation through the trailer. And then you also have a maxx roof vent on top, which has a bubble cover over it, so it won't leak water in if you guys forget to close that before you take off and go ride, or when you're using the trailer. White aluminum, again, wall and ceiling liner that covers up that insulation. There's that maxx roof vent. Two of the LED puck lights. These are really bright, efficient little lights. I love these lights. They do have toggle switches on them, so you guys can turn those on and off individually, or you have a switch right here next to that side door to control those. Back side of the RV lock gives you guys this piece, which is a lock-a-latch and a set of keys, which is a really good feature, much better than just having your standard cam bar. And there is your 2-foot V-nose front. Looks like Dexter axles underneath this unit, and you have about a 5,000-pound payload capacity. So here it is. We'd love to earn you guys' business. If you're in the market for a new trailer, as always, please give us a call, 303-688-8485. Check us out online anytime at coloradotrailersinc.com. We do have shipping options available, and we do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state.